COLZER 232 PPD commercial dehumidifier, with a large water removal capacity of up to 232 pints, 29 gallons per day in a space as large as 8,000 square feet. This heavy-duty dehumidifier can fit virtually every residential, commercial and industrial need, being ideal dehumidifiers for large basements, warehouses, garages, office buildings, workshop, indoor pool, supermarkets, restaurants, etc. The motorized impeller moving at 353 cfm, 600 cmh, ensures maximum airflow for faster drying. You can even get jobs done within 10 minutes. Hence, this commercial-grade dehumidifier is also great for water damage restoration after a flood or leak, and new building construction drying. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Intuitive control panel. Easy-to-use control panel with easy-to-read LED screen provides the ease of setting target humidity level, programming auto on/off timer, 1 to 24 hours, and monitoring the real-time room temperature and humidity level. Number 2. Auto humidity control. With automatic humidistat, power outages auto restart, auto defrost, and continuous drainage features, this dehumidifier allows for low-hassle humidity control that doesn't require your constant attention. Number 3. Easy transport. Packed with two 8-inch large semi-pneumatic wheels, two flexible front casters, and a sturdy bar handle, this large dehumidifier is easy to move from one job site to another, and even from downstairs to upstairs. Number 4. 232 PPD dehumidifier, up to 232 pints, 29 gallons, moisture removal per day, 110 ppd AHAM. This large capacity dehumidifier works well for urgent water damage restoration, fast structural drying, and other jobs that require fast dry. Number 5. Industrial and commercial grade dehumidifier. This high-efficiency dehumidifier operates at a high airflow rate of 353 cfm for rapidly eliminating moisture in large spaces up to 8,000 square feet, like basements, warehouses, garages, shops, and many other commercial and industrial institutions. Number 6. Easy operation. This commercial dehumidifier features automatic humidistat, automatic restart after power outages, auto defrost, 1 to 24 hours auto on/off timer, and continuous drainage, 6.56 feet drain hose included, for effortless humidity control. Number 7. Easy mobility. With large semi-pneumatic wheels and a sturdy bar handle, this large industrial-sized dehumidifier is easy and safe to transport from job to job, and even from downstairs to upstairs. Number 8. Robust construction. This ETL-listed dehumidifier is made of a metal outer casing that is anti-collision and anti-corrosion, ensuring long-term use and easy maintenance. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Is it okay to step down the size of the hose? Answer. Yes. Question number 2. Can someone who owns this measure the width for me without the wheels? Answer. The width is about 23 inches. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.